Hello there and welcome. In this video, we're going to go ahead and integrate our ConvertKit account with ClickFunnels 2.0. So let's get started. We're logged into ConvertKit at the moment, and we'll find the drop-down for our user settings. We'll click on Settings. We'll come down to the Advanced options. We'll scroll down to the API area. We'll click Show to see our secret API key. Go ahead and click the Copy button. Now next, we will go over into ClickFunnels. Now, before we go back into ClickFunnels, let's actually scroll up to this Grow option, and let's create a form. We're going to need something to send our leads and customers over, and we need a form or a tag to do that. So let's go ahead and find the Create New button. On Form, click any of these. I'll select this one here. We'll just need to make sure we have the right forms. So I'll just add a new one and click first name. The rest seem to be custom. You can add a tag. I'm not sure, I'm not too familiar with that, but we'll have these fields. So let's go ahead and save. We don't need to click publish, so we should be good to go. Next, we're going to go ahead over into ClickFunnels. So once you've logged into ClickFunnels, we'll go down to our settings. We'll find the integrations option. And we'll go ahead and click Connect Integration. And we'll go ahead to brand you're using for your account. And we can go ahead and use Control V, secret API key, or Command V if you're on a Mac. And then we'll click Proceed. Okay, we can see here this has been created successfully. We will have a video showing up right now on the screen. If you click that, it will tell you how to connect that in your funnel